Okay, let's take this as exam 2. Now, in using Venn diagram to solve problems in set theory, it's very simple. But don't look at the question that, oh, the question is long, therefore the question is difficult to solve. No, don't look at the longevity of the question. No, what you need to know is what you understand the ability to interpret the question. And once you can interpret the question, then the problem is what is solved, the work is done. Okay? Now, out of the 400 students in the final year in the secondary school, 300 are offering biology, and 190 are offering chemistry. So, how many students are offering both biology and chemistry? Okay? Now, if each student offers at least one of these two subjects, then B, if only 70 students are offering neither biology nor chemistry. It's very simple. Just look at me. So the first thing you do, you itemize everything out. So out of the 400 students, so you're going to be your universal, that is the number of the students in that secondary school. Okay, so we are told that 300 are offering biology. So 300 are offering biology. So it's going to be N B then equals to 300. This is the number of the students that are offering what? Biology. Okay, then 190 are offering chemistry. So we have C, then 190. 190. Okay, so you can put this in. So the question says, how many students are offering of both biology and chemistry? So in set notation, it's going to give you N, B, in intersection or intersection C. So we make it to be X, the number of the students that are offering of both biology and chemistry. Now let us go again. If only 70 students are offering of neither biology nor chemistry, I think we have 70 students that did not offer any of the two subjects. So we don't know what happened to them. So we have N brackets U, then C, then you put your holding point outside, which is going to be 70, which is what the number of the students who did not offer both the biology and the chemistry, neither biology nor chemistry. So we have this, then which other one we need to know? Okay, we have this. Now draw your rectangular box. It's very important to draw a rectangular box. Good. So we want to put all this information here. So we have N, which is 400. Then the first region, here we have two items or two subjects, biology and chemistry. So we have two regions. So the first one can be your biology, which is 300. And the second one can be your chemistry, which is what? 190. Now, those who offer the two subjects, we don't know it. We put it as X. Those who offer both biology and chemistry, we put it as X. Then those who did not offer any of the two subjects, which is what? B, U, C, Y. So we put that one here. If you like, you can put it 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 here. Just make sure that you put it outside the two regions or outside the regions given. So, what is the question to consider? The question says that if each student offers at least of the two subjects, that is, we have one that only study what offer biology only, those who offer both the biology and what and chemistry, and those who do what we who offer what chemistry only. So for you to calculate this number one, what do? We want to know the number of the students that offer what both the subject. So add the two regions together. We're having. So this one is going to give you. Okay, before that, you need to know those who offer biology only and those who offer what chemistry only. Now, how do you know those who offer biology only? It's going to be the number of the students that offer biology minus the number of the students that offer both the biology and chemistry, which is we have B intersection C. Then you put 5 here. It's going to give you 300 minus X. Then the other one, this one is for what? Only biology. Now let's look for only chemistry now. It's going to be B intersection C. Then you put point here, which means what? 190 minus X. That the where you see point means what? Only chemistry. Only what? Only chemistry. This one means what? Only biology. Is that it now? Now put them here. Only biology we have 300 minus X. Then here you have what? We have 190 minus what? Minus X. Now what we do? We need to know the number of the students who offer in both subjects. So when we add the region together, we have 300 minus X plus X. That is those who offer biology only plus those who offer both the two subjects, then plus those who offer what chemistry only. So we have plus 190 minus X then equals what? The number of the students in that secondary school. So this one we cancel out. Now let's add this together and what we have? We have 300 plus 190. What do we have? 094. We have 490. Okay, then minus 4 minus x equals to 4. So how do we obtain your 4? Or your x is going to be minus x equals what? 400 minus 490. Therefore, your x is what? Is 90. So 90 students is what? Is the number of the students who offer the two subjects, both the biology and chemistry. Now let's go to question number 2. The other answer, that is, we are to find the number of the students who offer both the subjects. But in this case, we have 70 students that did not offer both the biology and chemistry. So in this case, we are going to have, this is B, we are going to have 300 minus x plus x, then plus what? Plus 190 minus x, then plus what? Plus 70, then equals what? 400. So this one we cancel out. When you add this together, it will give you 490. Then add the 70 together again, we have 0. This one gives 650, 560. So we have minus 560. So we have minus x, then plus 560, then equals to 400. Okay, now we want to obtain x. What do we do? We have minus x, then equals to bring this to the other side. We have 400 minus 560. Okay, now why we minus this 560 minus 400? What we have? We have 160. Therefore, we have 160. So for the other question, when we have 70 students that did not do any of the two subjects, please always follow for more. Thank you.